Hey guys, it's Kay. Let's get into this wig sent from Unice hair. You know it's glueless and it's a pre-cut lace, y'all.
This is what the packaging looked like. So inside here we have the plastic that the wig came in. Now the length of this wig is 20 inches. It is like I believe it's kinky curly. All the information will be in my description box. It came in this bag, and of course they send you wig caps. This one is stuck in a box. So you have a wig cap. You also have sticky notes. Alright guys, so on to this wig. Like I said, it is a pre-cut. I want to say 5x5, but it might be like one of those 6x4, because it looks very much long in the front right here. The knots are not bleached, but the hairline does come pre-plucked. So this is how much lace you get. You also get 2 combs off to the side. You get the adjustable elastic band so you can wear this glueless, and you also get a comb in the back. So that's what it looks like, and it has a breathable cap as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and, because we just about to apply this. Also, I do want to let you guys know that I did go in and wash this hair and let it air dry. So after I darkened the lace, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this wig. We'll just put it on. But oh, that's what I'm missing the whole time, y'all. Wait a minute, I gotta get my mirror. Alright guys, so now let's concentrate on the hairline before I start plucking out these curls and really forming this bush. Just because I can still see the lace, so I'm gonna go in and add some more powder to the top of the wig. I'm gonna use my elastic band to set everything in place and make everything blend in, because again, I'm not using any got to be glue or anything to adhere my lace. After I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my elastic band. So once I let that kind of set, let's get into these curls. So again, they are air dried. Yeah, she is so pretty. But I am going to like cut that a little bit. Yeah, she is pretty.
Mom,
Yes.
top.
I don't know what I did with the top. Come show everybody your haircut that mommy did. I know I'm dead wrong, y'all. Come here.
Huh?
Show them your haircut. Show them your hair. Alright, get down so I can finish the video.
Oh.
Oh. Come on, Tootie.